Okay, Daniel. The 4C. That's a separation of variable question. Um, we want to. They give me the derivative of g, and they want me to figure out what g of 3 is. So I'm going to bring the 2/3 part down. I'm going to leave the negative over here, and then I'm going to bring the 2/3 up as g minus 27 to the negative 1/3. That is equals negative 1d t. So remember, it's a separation of variable question, so what you gotta do is you have to separate the variables. And then I think it'll be easier to bring that upstairs so you don't think it's a logarithm question or anything like that. Remember, if it's 1 over u, it's natural log of u, but if it's 1 over u to the 2/3 or any other power, you have to, add a power, divide by a power. Now, technically, there's a u substitution here. I'm not actually going to do it, but I'm just going to mention it. Well, I'm going to do it in my head. So basically, remember the derivative of that is 1, so you can do it in your head. So remember, add a power, and then divide by the power. Dividing by 1/3 is actually multiplying by 3. And then negative 1t plus c. Now, I think they told us, they had to give us a point that it went through, I think. Yeah, 0.91. So, and I forgot to write that up here. 0.91. So when t is 0, g is 91. So if I put 91 in there, 91 minus 27, 91 minus 27 is 64. 64. Third root of 64 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Negative 0 is, of course, 0. So I get c is 12. So what I end up with then is 3 times g. Man, my g's are getting really ugly here. Hold on. Crappy letters to choose, in my opinion. Just because I can't write them. Equals negative t plus 12. Now we have to solve for the g, so I'm going to multiply by 3. So I get g minus 27 to the 1/3 equals what? Negative 3t plus 36. And then raise everything to the 3rd power. G minus 27 is negative 3 plus 36 to the 3rd power, and then move the 27 over. Something looks wrong here. What did I do wrong? Oh, duh. When I bring the 3 over here, you get, this is stupid. I'm going to fix it right here. When you bring the 3 over, you're dividing. Sorry, had a little brain stall there. Divided by 3. And then, so when you raise the 3rd power, you're going to get negative t plus 12 to the 3rd over 27. Let me just make sure I'm doing this right. Hold on. Yeah. Then now, so there's our, no, minus 27. Jeez. Hold on, let me just put this. So I'll move the 27 over, so it makes it plus 27 plus negative t plus 12 over 3 to the 3rd. Now, the question was, what will g of 3 be? So you got to put 3 in there. Negative 3 plus 4 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 to the 3rd is 27. So you end up with 27 plus 27, which is 54. So, again, let me just talk through it since I kind of messed that up a couple times. Separate the variables. Again, make sure that you realize there's a fractional exponent on that, so you want to probably write it with a negative. Take the antiderivative of both sides. And once you take the antiderivative of both sides, then you want to use the variable, the point they give you, sorry, the 0.91 to establish the constant, which was 12. Let me write that here. And then now we have this equation. Now I want to solve it for g. Now, once you solve it for g, Then you want to put the 3 in for the t, and then then solve the equation for that. Hopefully that answers your question.